Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply multiple criteria to the criteria rows in your advanced criteria range. However, the conditions must be logically joined together using the and or statements. You use the and condition to specify that a record must meet multiple criteria at the same time to be included within the filtered data. When creating the criteria in the criteria range to apply an advanced filter, you can create multiple criteria and join them together with the and condition by simply inserting both the criteria into the same criteria row underneath their respective field headings in the criteria range prior to applying the filter. For example, if you had two fields named Amount and Region, you could place greater than 5,000 into one row under the Amount column, and you could place equals North under the Region column within the same criteria row. As long as you place both of these criteria into the same row, they will be interpreted by Excel as being one criteria with an and condition joining them. If you apply this criteria, you will wind up seeing all of the records in your table where the region is listed as North and there was more than $5,000 in the Amount column. You use the OR condition to specify that a record can meet one or more of the criteria in order to be included in the filtered result set. To specify an OR condition, you write your first criteria in one of the criteria rows available, using multiple criteria within the same row for AND conditions if needed. Then you place the next set of criteria that you want to look for using an OR condition into a separate criteria row directly beneath the first criteria row. You can then apply the advanced filter. However, be sure to select all of the criteria rows that are needed when selecting the criteria range within the advanced filter dialog box. So using the aforementioned example, assume that you wanted to see any record in your table where the region was equal to North or the record contained an amount that was greater than 5,000. So to do this, you would have to place the value of greater than 5,000 underneath the Amount field header within one criteria row, and then enter equals North under the Region field header within a separate criteria row. If you then filter the table using this criteria range, you will see all of the records in your table where the Region field contains the value North or where the amount is greater than 5,000. Now, it can sometimes be confusing to think of the AND and OR conditions and be able to pick which one you need at first. Just remember that if you use the AND condition, a record must meet all of the criteria joined together by the AND condition to be included in the result set. If you use the OR condition, a record can meet any one of the criteria joined by the OR condition to be included in the result set.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.